All right, let's talk about something you've probably seen a million times on a vitamin bottle. B-complex. Sounds simple, right? Like it's just one thing, but it's actually a whole team of essential players working behind the scenes. In this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and meet the crew that keeps your body's engine running just right.
So let's start with the big question right off the bat. What is this stuff anyway? On the surface, it looks like a single vitamin, but the reality is so much more interesting. And, understanding it is actually pretty key to our overall health.
Get this, the B complex isn't one vitamin at all. It's a team of 8. That's right, 8 distinct water-soluble vitamins. Now, water-soluble means your body doesn't really store them for long, so you need to get them pretty consistently. Think of them as this elite squad on a daily mission inside your body. Let's go meet the team.
Okay, first up, let's head down to the engine room of the B team. This is the crew that has one of the most critical jobs in your whole body, turning the food you eat into the fuel you actually use. These guys are the frontline workers of your metabolism.
So this first group, they tackle energy from all sides. You've got B1, thiamine, who's your main carb converter. Just think of it turning your bread and pasta into pure power. Then there's B2, riboflavin, an all-around energy producer that also has this cool side gig of keeping your skin and eyes healthy. And B3, niacin, is another metabolism heavyweight that also helps support your entire nervous system.
And the energy crew has even more specialists. B5, pantothenic acid, is kind of like the team's coordinator, helping produce hormones and just overseeing tons of metabolic processes. And then you have the famous one, B7, biotin. Yeah, everyone knows it for supporting healthy hair and skin, but that's kind of its side hustle. Its real job is being a master metabolizer, breaking down fats, carbs, and proteins. A true multitasker, for sure.
All right, so we've met the energy crew. Now let's meet the builders. This next group is responsible for some of the most critical infrastructure in your entire body. We're talking about your nervous system and your blood.
This team is absolutely fascinating. You've got B6, pyridoxine, which actually creates the chemical messengers in your brain, the neurotransmitters that control everything from your mood to how well you sleep. Then there's B9, folate. It's famous for its role in fetal development, for sure, but it's also a primary builder of our red blood cells. And that brings us to its essential partner, B12, or cobalamin, which not only supports nerve health and helps create DNA, but also plays a huge role in producing those very same red blood cells. See the connection?
And this perfectly illustrates the whole point of the B complex. B9 and B12 are the ultimate example of synergy. You have to have both of them present and working together to create healthy red blood cells. If one is missing or even just low, the entire production line can just grind to a halt. It's not enough to have just one player on the field. You need the whole team working together.
So we know who the players are and we know what they do. The obvious next